Hi and welcome to this new video. So today, as promised, we are going to be buying shares of Coca-Cola stock. So let's go straight ahead and add some money to my investment account here on Revolut Trading. Let's add money. We would like to add $500. We'll put it in my dollar amount. So how much would you like to invest? I would like to invest $500. Fund. Okay, so now I've funded my investment account with $500 and we are going to buy the stock now. Invest. Let's see. Okay, now we're going to press on buy. We're going to buy for $500, which is going to give us 9.75 shares of Coca-Cola. Here we go. So we have here minus $500 by 9.75 shares of Coca-Cola. Price of the stock at the moment is $51.24. Okay, commission-free trades left, day trades left. That means I still have 3 out of 3 commission-free trades left this month, and day trades left too, but that doesn't interest us because we are dividend investors. Okay, submit. Here we go. Okay, so it says no pending orders. This means that our order should be complete. Okay, here we go. So we have $500 worth of Coca-Cola shares, which gives us 9.75 shares. I hope you enjoyed this video where I bought 9.75 shares of Coca-Cola for $500. See you in my next videos where I'll be buying SPG, Simon Property Group, Realty Income, and other stocks, and I'll be doing more updates in the near future too. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content.